Hey everybody, this is Bill Vernon, your Keller Williams agent for the Central Texas area. But you know what? I'm also a great resource to agents all over the nation. And what's this video about? This is about scaling your wealth. Okay, we're going to talk about wealth building here. And what we're going to look at is this. The first step for any person serious about scaling their wealth is identifying and engaging the players on that you're going to call your financial team. Now, there's actually 5 people that you're going to have very active in this, and let's start talking about those players. Let's talk about player number 1, bookkeeper. Okay, you need to have a bookkeeper that is involved in this, and what you're going to do is you're going to meet with them pretty regularly, 5-10 minutes once a week. How accurate is your financial data? What is it telling you? What do they need from you to do their job at a high level? So that's what a bookkeeper does. Now, a bookkeeper ain't doing your taxes. Who's doing your taxes? A CPA. Okay, and really CPAs actually are kind of interesting cats. Some of them are really good about making sure they're filling out the paperwork right. They're really good about shuffling that paperwork and making sure it's all filled out, okay? But you need a CPA that also can financially plan for you. And you're going to meet with them quarterly for about 45 minutes with planning emphasis on your taxes. You definitely want to do that in the summer. You want to do it, of course, you're going to see them during tax time, right? You're going to meet there. And then you really need to talk to them. Okay, here's my goal personally, and I would encourage you to this. Okay, my thing is to never owe the IRS any money. When I get my return, I want it to say 0. That's kind of ideally what I want to see. At a little b, wants to maybe owe them a little, not enough to get fined. But I do not want to give them free interest loans. Okay, nothing against the IRS. We pay our taxes and we do a good job because we need to do that, right? So what are your current tax liabilities for the year? What are the tax planning strategies you can have this year and next year? Okay, so that's why you're meeting in December or in the fourth quarter, is to have a discussion about what we're going to do for the following year. Okay, the third planner is a financial planner. You're going to meet twice per year for about 45 minutes with this cat, right? Okay, and you're going to discuss in the first meeting, what is my financial trajectory, net worth, and how can I improve that? Okay, and then your second meeting, what I want you to kind of talk to them there is checking in regard to any financial and life changes. Okay, there's a lot of life changes. I'm kind of getting old, if you can't tell. Okay, I'm getting a little old. I'm about to become an empty nester here. I got 1 kid left, and they're going to be out. And then I'm going to change the locks, right? I don't want them back in the house, right? No, things are going on, and we need to really talk about those changes with the financial planner. Now, you need to be kind of careful. Here's the deal with financial planners. They're kind of licensed and stuff, and they're not going to talk a whole lot about real estate as part of your financial plan. But you need to put that in there because, after all, we got to remember a lot of millionaires have a whole lot of real estate in their portfolios. Okay, so that real estate is a leg, and other investments are a leg. So you need to make sure your financial planner is going to be cool with that concept. The fourth player you're going to have on there, an estate attorney. Okay, which might have a real estate background. A lot of them do, by the way. Okay, I know some great ones, and the reason you're meeting with them annually is because you're paying somewhere between $250 to $500 just to hang out with them for an hour, right? So make sure you're talking about business and not baseball or basketball scores, right? And in this discussion, you're going to have How has anything big happened that year in your life? Maybe you got divorced. Maybe somebody passed away. You got a big inheritance. What are you going to do with the kid? I mean, there's just different, and my kids are at different levels, right? They're going off to college, starting their lives. How do we arrange that? How do we help them out, right? Third thing is, what changes might you make in your estate planning and insurance coverage? Okay, how does that look? As my kids kind of get up there in the right on their own, do I really need to be insuring them or insuring myself? I mean, these are just discussions that you might have to have with an estate attorney. Okay, so those are the four. And your fifth one is a real estate professional such as I that will guide you through and help you build and protect transformational wealth. Okay, that is what I'm here to help you with, is to help you find these different. I'm a source to the resource, so to speak. I'm not going to sit here and do your taxes. Oh no, thank you. I'm not going to sit here and because I don't have my I'm not an attorney. Okay, I didn't sit for the bar, so I'm not going to sit here and write you up a trust or LLC series or something like that. Okay, I'm not going to give you legal advice. So these people are people that I know that I can get you in contact wherever you are in the lifespan or your lifespan, where you at what stage you're at. I'm here to help you out. If you need to get a hold of me, well, it's 254-495-5661. That is my mobile. You can call and text me anytime. Here's something else. I want you to subscribe. You push that little belly thing, and evidently it'll tell you when new videos like this come out, because we're here to help you out on that stuff, and you can always look us up and on other YouTube videos when we're discussing all this cool stuff. And I can't wait to see you again. Bye now.